Wish you all the best in life. I know this is your special day, then I'm hoping that you'll be loaded with happiness and love, especially nga nagkuyog dyan mo ni JM karon. Then, soon, puhon, you will be blessed with little JM and little Gisao. Hopefully soon. Then, stay pretty, girl. I miss you. Bugad dyan tawa nagkita. Then, Pon. We'll see you soon. Then, basta stay pretty, less stress. I know kaya dyan mo na natin ka na kay nakakadera. I always here. Then, thank you for everything. Grabe. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Giselle!
Princess Giselle, happy birthday. Stay pretty inside and out, and wishing you all the happiness. Wishing you and JM to be blessed with a little one. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hi Ching, happy birthday. God bless you always. We miss you. Happy birthday.
Hi G, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, G.
Happy birthday. Ay, susunod na. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Oh, very happy birthday. Diba? Very happy birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday, girlash.
Birthday, Ma'am Giselle!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Giselle.
Hi, Giselle. Happy birthday.
Hi, Giselle. Wish you happy birthday. Hi, Ma'am Jess. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Giselle. Hi, Ma'am G. Happy birthday.
Hi, G. Happy birthday. Uli namin ka magtagay na punta. Happy birthday, Giselle.
Happy birthday, Giselle.
Happy birthday, Sel.
Hi, Giselle. Happy birthday. See you soon. Bye.
Go. Lain na lang.
Birthday, G.
Paul, yun pala
Alay, G.
sa
Color ta, G. Salamat ka, G. Ako na itong nurse nga niya. Abot sa America. Hi, G. Happy birthday.
Miss Go. Happy birthday, Ma'am J.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Giselle.
Nalimot na ba siya mo? Nalimot na ba siya ni mo, Jay? Okay. Happy birthday.
Hi girlash, happy birthday. I love you so much, girl. I miss you, girlash. Hantod karon masulat yaman. May pakondira. I love you, I miss you. Mama chup chup.
Hi, happy birthday, Princess Giselle. I just want to greet you happy birthday and happy ko nga ka sa US, finally a new chapter sa imong career, and mas na happy ko kay nana si JM Kudira starting together na mo sa inyong new environment, new life dito sa US. I wish you all the best and I hope na makauli mo soon sa Pinas and tipo na ko tayo JM. Bye, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Papa, oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Giselle.
Happy birthday, Didal.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Laag nga ta diri.
Ak naman tati.
Laag pod mi dira.
Ako Tia.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Giselle.
Day Giselle, happy birthday. While spending your birthday in USA, don't be sad because we are here to greet you your happiness.
Happy birthday, Day Giselle. More birthdays to come and good health always and more blessings. Giselle, more blessings and good health always.
Happy birthday, Giselle! Wala ko wish kay Hima naman siya wish. Pareha kami dua.
Hi Sel, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. And salamat sa imong kamaayo namo ni Prince. We love you so much. We miss you. Amping ka always.
Happy birthday, Ate Giselle. Happy birthday, Giselle. Hope you have a good day today.
Happy birthday, Giselle. We love you.
Happy birthday and we love you.
Hi, Day Giselle. Hope nga you enjoy your birthday today with GM and wish nga unsa man gani imong mga dreams in life, matuman ang tanan with God's help and protection. Kinatunta nga imong ligunan kanon na imong kaugalingon sa tanan nga labi na diha sa imong pagpanarbaho, panalanginan ka kanunay ni Lord. O sa inyong life karon ni Janjan, kamo na lang jung duha. This is the first birthday nga kamong duha diha sa Amerika. So enjoy the best of life nga naama inyong duha mintras mga batanon pa mo. We love you and we really miss the two of you. Love you. Happy birthday, Day Giselle.
Happy birthday, Day. Enjoy your birthday. More 100 years to come.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. First of all, I want to say thank you. Thank you kayo nga despite sa many challenges nga inyong na-face ni Kuya, ay magyapon siya gidawat. And thank you nga love yun kayo minimo. Ma-feel jud na ako nga accepted kay minimo as your family. And I wish for your birthday today that you feel also all the love that you deserve and the happiness that you deserve. Happy birthday and God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Giselle. Happy birthday lang. Thank you for your love and support sa family. We always pray for your good health and God bless you more. We love you.
Hey! Happy birthday, Ate Tetel. We love you.
Hi, bebe. Happy birthday. Una sa tanan, no, thankful kay ko kay ikaw akong asawa. Grabe na ko kaswerte kay despite sa mga na-encounter na itong mga challenges, naragya akong kadiya sa kuha, nang malikon ka. Hope nga kitang duwag yun magmalikon o patas na ito itong mga pasensya, magsinabtanay lang yun ta sa umaabot na panahon. Daghan pag yun mga maatubang ng mga challenges. Hope kanatanan, malampusan na ito na. Ang wish para sa imo o unsa man gay imong dream para nato unta makabot na ito na through prayers and through guidance ni Lord. Thank you kay sayo kay dili ko kaabot diri sa Amerika kung dili ko mikan sa imo. Thank you and I love you so much.